Did you know that if the sun suddenly disappeared for just 24 hours, Earth would immediately plunge into chaos? Most people think night would fall, but the reality is far stranger. Oceans would boil, gravity would fail, and life itself would be at risk. Today, we're diving into what would happen if the sun disappeared for a whole day. And by the end, this will completely change how you see the star that powers our planet. Welcome to MindBlown 10-Minute Curiosity, where we turn everyday questions into extraordinary answers. I'm Venant, and if you love learning fascinating things in under 10 minutes, hit subscribe and let's get started. Here's the question. What would actually happen if the sun disappeared for 24 hours? Scientists and researchers have been fascinated by this for decades, and what they found might surprise you. Before we reveal the answer, let S understand the sun, S role. It's not just a bright ball in the sky. It provides gravity that keeps Earth in orbit, light that fuels photosynthesis, and warmth that makes life possible. Without it, our planet's balance would collapse. First, let's talk physics. The sun is 93 million miles away, so its light takes about 8 minutes to reach us. If the sun disappeared, we wouldn't notice immediately. We'd still see it for those 8 minutes. But after that, darkness. Complete darkness. Without the sun's gravity, Earth would stop orbiting. Instead, we'd move in a straight-line tangent to our orbit, drifting into the unknown. Temperatures would plummet. Within hours, surface temperatures could drop below 100 degrees C. Oceans would freeze on the surface, and plants would die without sunlight. The air itself would become bitterly cold. But there's more. The sun's absence would affect the atmosphere and weather instantly. No energy from the sun means winds and currents collapse, and storms would cease. Temporarily, life on land would face a deadly challenge. Why does this matter? Understanding the sun's critical role helps us appreciate how finely balanced our ecosystem is. It reminds us of the fragility of life on Earth and why protecting our planet is essential. Interestingly, even if the sun returned after 24 hours, recovery wouldn't be instant. Some plants and animals might survive, but the global chain reaction would leave scars, disrupted ecosystems, mass extinctions in sensitive habitats, and changes in ocean currents that could last years. So, to wrap up, the sun isn't just bright, it is the invisible engine of life, gravity, and weather on Earth. Next time you enjoy a sunny day, you'll know exactly why we owe our very existence to that glowing ball in the sky. Learning something new changes how we see everything. And that's what MindBlown is all about. If this blew your mind, give it a thumbs up. It helps more curious minds discover us. Comment below. What's one cosmic mystery you'd love to see explained next? And don't forget to subscribe for more 10-minute brain fuel every week. You just learned why the sun keeps Earth alive. Now go blow someone else's mind. Share this video and spread the curiosity.